The Good Shepherd. Psalm 23.
The Lord is my shepherd.
I have what I need. He let me lay down in green pasture. He leads me beside quiet water. He renews my life. He leads me along the right path for His name's sake. Even when I go through the darkest valley, I fear no danger, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Only goodness and faithful love will pursue me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord as long as I live. Amen.